Welcome back, Walker. I'm Aspen.
And I'm Kale. Here's what's happening around Walker.
Ram Run is Friday, April 14th.
ACAP testing is still going. Please be mindful to keep your voice levels low in the hallways.
When it is your day to test, here are some tips.
Make sure to get a good night's rest.
Eat a good breakfast.
Think positive, have confidence, and don't stress.
Here's a message from Miss Stroud about taking the math portion of ACAP.
Hey y'all, you really awesome mathematicians. This is Miss Stroud with just a few words of encouragement as you prepare to take the ACAP math test and show all that you know. I believe in you, and I know that you have math problem solving skills and you have grit, so you will be able to persevere throughout this test. But you need to remember, words are powerful and your brain believes what you tell it, so you need to tell it positive things. If you tell your brain that you can't do this or you're not good at math, it will believe it. So we need to replace those negative thoughts with positive ones, such as, I can do hard things. I'm going to try and do my best. I will not give up when a question looks hard. I do not have to be perfect, but I cannot be a quitter. I made some bracelets for all of you with uplifting words for each of you. There are a set of bracelets for the first day of testing, and there'll be a different set of bracelets for the second day of testing. If you don't want to make a bracelet out of it, that's fine. You can use it as a bookmark. You can fold it up and put it in your pocket. I just wanted you to know that I am just one of lots and lots of people who truly believe in you. But the one person that has to believe in you more than anybody else is you. But remember, you are a Ram, a really awesome mathematician. You got this. Here's a little extra word of encouragement from a special friend.
Hi, I'm Alabama football coach Nick Saban. Our team puts a tremendous amount of effort in preparing for our games each Saturday. And I know you have put a lot of time and effort into your education. With ACAP testing starting soon, I want to remind you how important it is to take the test seriously. Just like our team prepares each week, you must prepare for success on this test. That means making sure you're getting enough sleep each night and starting your day with a healthy breakfast. Good luck on the test and roll Tide.
One of the things that Coach Saban mentioned was taking this test seriously. But how do you know if you're taking the test seriously? There are 3 things I always want you to think about during this test. 1, if you get stuck on a problem, go ahead and flag it. You can always go back to it. 2, use your scratch paper. Put your ideas, your thoughts, your models on the paper. That gives your brain a second chance to look at your thinking. And 3, if you have leftover time, go back and look at your problems again. You might as well review what you think you know because you have nothing but time. Use your time wisely. There is no prize for being the fastest. And for all you Auburn fans out there, War Eagle as well. You got this. Mwah.
Now let's get a check on the weekend forecast with Gabe. This is Gabe with your weekend weather forecast. So Friday looks like we have a high of 72, a low of 58, and a 40% chance of rain. So that rain will probably be in the early morning, and then it'll clear up later in the day. Saturday we have a high of 81, a low of 58, and a 0% chance of rain with some intermittent clouds that day. So Sunday we'll have a high of 69 degrees, a low of 62, and a 60% chance of rain. Looks like along with Friday, Sunday there will also be rainstorms earlier in the day and lots of sunshine later in the day. Now back to the studio with Kale and Aspen.
Hey, Kel, why did the golfer bring 2 pairs of pants?
Why?
In case he got a hole-in-one.
Hey Jackson, what's your favorite subject?
I like history just because I like learning about what it is, and it's just fun and Isaiah, what's your favorite subject and why?
Social studies because it's easy and it teaches me about history, like what happened.
Good
before
answer.
us.
Yeah, Jacob, what's your favorite subject and why?
Math, because I'm pretty good at it, and I could sort of beat the whole class just by last test. I got 300 on it, so I'm still good.
My favorite subject is history in Mr. Clark's class because he makes it fun and I just like learning about our history.
Hey, Preston, what's your favorite subject and why?
All of them, because it helps you and it makes you learn and it helps you learn other stuff, and the more you learn, the more stuff you will answer that you know, and the more you know, you might graduate. And when you graduate, you get a job, and when you get a job, you get money, and you can get your own family. And why all subject is the best? You wanna know why?
Why?
Because it's doing the Lamb's way.
That's a good answer. Good job.
That's all for now. See you next week on Ramtv.
Remember to always be Ram, even when no one is watching. Respectful, accountable, motivated, and self-control. We are Rams.
This has been Ramtv showing you leadership.
You have to scroll the iPad.
A weekend forecast with us.
Again.
It says it there. So
Not me.
I'm so confused.
You were supposed to
I said Saturday on Friday. There's 0% chance of rain, which I don't know why it should rain up there, but Sunday we have a high of 69 degrees, a low of 62.
turn around and
and
go.
Out of all the times I've done weather,
I thought you were like, okay, you have to
it
flip.
has 60% stupid chance of rain.
Here's our joke. Wait, no, I want to say the joke, so you.
It's not even that funny.
Okay. Hey, kid, why does the golf ring do?
Okay, don't look at him when you.
Okay.